Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to cancel order on Temu. So firstly go to you, and as you can see I already have some orders placed. Guys, now you just need to basically press on the return or refund button. Then you choose whether you received your package or not. After this, just confirm your decision and you should receive an email or the app notification confirming the cancellation. Also guys, if you can't see the options to cancel, use the help center or chat with an agent, explain your situation and request the cancellation. If the cancellation is successful, refunds are typically processed within 5 to 7 business days depending on your payment method. I hope this helps. Guys, press the like button if this helped, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.